Hey everyone, welcome back in the gluten-free kitchen. My name is Radu and today we're gonna prepare a simple, quick and delicious recipe for which we'll need the following ingredients.
5 tablespoons or 75 grams of cornstarch. Then we are going to need 300 grams of Greek yogurt. We'll make a video on how to homemade that as well. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss it. We're also gonna need 50 grams of golden raisins, 4 eggs, 2 milliliters of vanilla essence, and to top it off some raspberries, figs or any other fruits, and some icing sugar. First we're going to pour in the yogurt into a bowl, then break in the eggs. I haven't used any sugar for this recipe, but if you like you can add 50 grams before breaking in the eggs. And now whisk them in.
Sift in the cornstarch and the raisins and the vanilla extract.
Fold everything in until you get to this consistency. Then line a loose bottom cake tin with a baking sheet, taking out the excess and making sure that it is properly locked. Now pour in the mixture into the tin. And now to the fun part, it's time to bake it. Transfer it into the oven, make sure the heat is coming from the bottom and the vent is on, and set the temperature to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit for 70 minutes. Then take it out of the oven. The cake is going to look similar to this one and you need to allow it to cool down for about 20-30 minutes. After it deflated and cooled down, transfer it to the fridge for at least 2 hours. While the cake is in the fridge, you can start preparing the fruits. I think that you can use whatever fruit you like. Any fruit works really well with this recipe. In my case, I'm going to use some figs that you need to cut in half and then into slices, and I'm also going to use some raspberries and blueberries. Take the cake out of the fridge after it completely cooled down. Open up the springform and start admiring the beautiful cake that you just made. I know that you are probably very hungry by now, but we are almost there. Lift it up and then start putting the fruits on top of it. I think that some strawberries would work really well with this recipe as well. And for the insides of the figs, you can either spoon them out or cut them just like this. And now sprinkle some sifted icing sugar on top of it. This is why I haven't used any sugar inside of the cake, because you get the sweetness from the fruits and from the icing sugar. Then slice the cake into pieces. I think that you can get around 8 pieces out of it. It looks so appetizing with the raisins at the bottom.
Please give it a taste. It's absolutely delicious. Don't forget to share this recipe and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.